Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss few more breakout stocks, and I have got this popped out all the stocks, and we're going to discuss them one by one. So welcome to our channel, and if you are new to this channel, I'll request you to maybe subscribe, then like and comment if you like the work I'm doing. Thanks for that. So the first stock today is GSPL. Here is the chart for this. So today I'm just going to look at the candlestick chart along with RSI. Okay, so here you can clearly see that it has created a base and the formation of W pattern, right? So W pattern is already done, or we can call it as double bottom, because it has given this breakout from these levels. We can clearly call it as W pattern, right? And what interesting is happening here, if you see it took first resistance here last week, not last week but second week of November. It broke out, it retested it, and now it is ready to blast, right? So there are a couple of approaches. First is you can maybe buy when it crosses, let's say 280, or those traders who are aggressive, you can go long at the current price as well. It depends on your risk appetite, how much risk you want to take. And if I were you, I'll take the risk and buy this at CMP, and I'll put my stop loss somewhere around 250, right? Yeah, so these are the levels somewhere I'll put my stop loss, and targets are open. You can see clearly that these are the levels where the first support zone was there, right here. So the first target would be somewhere around 290, then 300, which is a psychological level, and then we can also see 320. So these are the levels I am expecting in GSPL. The next stock is Edelweiss. Very interesting chart. Here you can see it has created this. This is the support line for the stock, and the target I can expect it somewhere around these levels, right? So I'm expecting somewhere around 77, 78, and you can see the higher level here as well, which is around this. And why I'm planning for this is, here it took some time, it spent some time, and then it broke down, and that's where it is trying to get back. Looks bullish to me. And here as well, the plan is like you can maybe put a stop loss around here. These are the important levels around 60, 62, and you can go long for this. I'm expecting this will break out, retest, and go on the higher levels. So that is on Edelweiss. Radico, interesting chart pattern. So it took resistance here, let's say, yeah, the two times it took the resistance, 1 and 2. The interesting part here is, see, this is the area where it was consolidating for a longer time, right? And what it has done is, it has broken out on these two candles it has broken out on all these people actually who were sitting around in this, right? And now it is retesting it, and my expectation is it will break out again and try to go around its all-time high, right? So I'm pretty much bullish on the distillery stocks. One is Radico and the other one is McDowell or United Spirits. Here as well you can see an interesting pattern is being developed. I think we discussed this in last video where I clearly said that this has already broken out the levels and it has started its upward journey, right? So it's trying to take out, so first it took out this, then this, it will go to the all-time high as well. So these are the distillery stocks. Persistence, we have discussed this last week I guess. Here as well, this was the important level where it broke out. Similarly, it has created this W pattern as well, right? So here it has taken three supports like first, second, third, so triple bottom we can see, and then it has created the W pattern and broke out quite significantly with the volume, right? And now it is retesting these levels. And even last week we discussed that if you get a chance to get in this stock around 4,000, it will be a good stock for these levels. So first is 4400, then 4800. So these two levels I'm expecting. But the other thing is IT stocks have shown a downtrend in last couple of weeks I guess. So that's where it is quite interesting to see how Persistence performs in the next couple of weeks, right? Third is this ABBOTT India, very interesting chart. This is the resistance, and it is yeah, we can mark these levels. Here you can see clearly it is trying to break out, but volume is going down, right? So it is very interesting to see how it behaves. I'm expecting that this might go down, but till a specific level, right? So here you can see it has broke out this level first, then here it was the retest, and again it gone up. So if it goes below this, there is a weakness 19500, but above this I feel that it will break out and go touch these levels as well, around 22,000, right? Then the next is NIACL. Here there is a very good breakout, you can see here. So around this level, there is a price range. So yeah, these levels. So it has given a breakout. This is the testing candle where it is trying to test these levels, and then I am expecting it will go and break this high and will start the upward journey till here maybe. So my target is 122 for this. And then there is Policy Bazar. So this stock is very interesting. I feel that it has made the bottom, so you can quite comfortably put these levels as a stop loss. So actually talking about this, my stop loss would be around 230 maybe, okay? And you can buy this at CMP. So we bought this stock around 455. You can check our Twitter page, and we have bought this around 455. So yesterday it gave a good today it gave a good movement above around 5%, and now I'm expecting good levels. Actually my targets are high on this, around 25% maybe in couple of weeks or maybe in a month. I'm expecting around 600 plus, okay, because I feel that this has made the bottom, and there is a lot of positive news as well on the stock that in short term it is going to do good. So that's the basis. On that basis, and even on these technical things, I have taken the long position here. So there is a hidden trend line here, see. So if it goes above this around 520, right, I feel that it will go easily around 600 plus. So these were the stocks I wanted to walk you through. So GSPL, Edelweiss, Radico, United Spirits, Persistent, ABBOTT India, NISCL, and Policy Bazar. So keep them in your watch list, on your radar, and maybe try to see how they behave in the next week, and based on that, if you want, you can take the position in them, but try to understand your risk first and then maybe take the decision to go long or short, whatever you feel like. So that's it for today. Thank you.